2023 is a big year for aviation. We're all back to work after the pandemic, the pilot shortage is in full swing, and pilot salaries are finally on the rise. What's also changing is artificial intelligence, specifically ChatGPT. If you're not familiar with ChatGPT, well, you should be, as it's going to massively change our lives. Now, I've already made a video on how to write a pilot resume, and I won't be repeating the same information, so if you haven't watched that video, go check it out. In this video, I'm going to show you how to speed up that whole process using artificial intelligence and ChatGPT. Welcome back to Aviator Inspirations. My name is Yaro and I help take the mystery out of the aviation industry. So what is ChatGPT? It's a large language model developed by OpenAI. It is trained on a massive data set of text from the internet, and it is able to generate human-like text based on a given prompt or context. It can be used for a wide range of natural language processing tasks such as language translation, text summarization, and question answering. ChatGPT is also designed to be able to continue a conversation or generate a text based on a previous text. In summary, we can use ChatGPT to quickly generate a pilot resume and cover letter that's very well written and correctly proofread. We can also give it the exact text of a job opening, and it can use the keywords in that job description to craft a cover letter that quickly jumps out at the recruiter and demonstrates why they should hire you over the competition. So let's dive in. First, you need to head over to chat.openai.com. The link will be in the bio. There you need to create an account and log in. Once you do that, you will see this page where you can enter your prompt. Next, we are simply going to type "write a pilot resume," and just like magic, it will generate a rough outline of a resume. It starts with the contact information, then a summary of a job it thinks you are applying for, which you will amend later, the education, then the experience, which you will also amend based on your experience, then finally the skills and certifications. Then you can simply copy and paste the different sections into the application where you are creating the resume, either Google Docs or Canva, and tailor it to your specific experience. After that, head over to the job posting you are applying for. In this example, we are using Air Canada. Copy the whole job description and head back to ChatGPT. In the prompt, start typing, "write a cover letter for this job posting," then paste the job description and hit enter. Again, just like magic, it starts generating a cover letter based on the exact keywords in the job description. This will save you a ton of time if you are applying to several jobs and will ensure your resume is exactly tailored to each company. Again, copy and paste it to where you are creating your resume, make any edits you need to it based on your qualifications, and that's it. Remember, ChatGPT can continue the conversation, so you can keep asking it specific questions to get the results you are looking for. If you want to make the cover letter sound smarter, simply ask it to do that, and it will reword it accordingly. This whole process took less than 10 minutes, and now you have a correctly proofed and written resume that should jump out at the recruiter and ensure you are not lost in the pile of resumes. Remember, we are in a pilot shortage, and airlines are scrambling to steal pilots from other companies. It's like the game of musical chairs. Get in with the best company you can before the next recession starts and the music stops. So that's it. With these basic elements, you have the foundation for a strong resume, and with the help of ChatGPT, you can easily customize and tailor your resume to fit the specific job you're applying for. Keep in mind, you still should proofread your resume and make sure there are no typos or grammatical errors. It's a good idea to have someone else review your resume as well to get a fresh perspective. Now you are ready to apply for your dream pilot job with a great resume. Let me know what you think of ChatGPT and how else we can use it in aviation. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.